Let's start creating your design for the Custom Shape Keychain with spinning charm using Merchize's template. Go to merchize.com. Enter Keychain with spinning charm in the search box to find products in our catalog. Merchize is offering Keychain with spinning charm in wood and acrylic version. Select the version you want to fulfill. On the product page, click the Download Template and Mockup button, or click the Template and Mockup tab to find the download link. Download the template file to your computer. Merchize is also offer Car Clip with spinning charm. This product is similar to the Keychain with spinning charm, except it doesn't have the keyring hole. You can apply the same design process for this product, but remove the keyhole in the process. You can use Photoshop or any alternative that supports smart object functions. In this tutorial, we'll use Photopea, a free online editing tool. Go to photopea.com. Drag and drop your downloaded template file into the Photopea workspace. Before we start designing, let's take a look at how this product works and how the template is structured. This keychain has two acrylic layers. The spinning layer sits on top and can rotate freely. The base layer sits underneath and stays fixed. The two are connected through a spinning axis at the center. Now, let's see how that maps to the template. The template is divided into 4 sections stacked vertically. The first section at the top is the cut design for the spinning layer. This defines the outer shape that will be cut for the spinning piece. Below it is the print design for the spinning layer. This is where your artwork for the spinning piece goes. The third section is the cut design for the base layer, the outer shape of the fixed base piece. And the fourth section at the bottom is the print design for the base layer, your artwork for the base. Now let's turn on customizable parts to see what a complete design looks like across all sections. In the Layers panel, click the eye icon next to the customizable parts group to turn it on. You can see how the spinning layer and the base layer, the axis mark visible at the center of the base design. Notice the green dashed lines on each section. These mark the safe print area. Keep all important details inside these lines. The spinning layer is the top piece of the keychain, the part that rotates. You'll design both the print artwork and the cut shape for this layer. In the Layers panel, find the layer named Design Spinning Layer. Double-click its thumbnail to open the Smart Object in a new tab. You'll now be inside the Smart Object canvas. Click the eye icon next to the sample artwork layer to turn it off. Place your artwork within the Safe Print area guides. Your spinning layer design must be at least 200 by 200 pixels in overall size. Also make sure every line and detail in your design is at least 15 pixels thick, so the acrylic holds its shape cleanly after cutting. When your spinning layer design is ready, turn off Guide Layer and save Smart Object. Then close this tab to return to the main template. The base layer is the fixed bottom piece of the keychain. It sits behind the spinning layer and stays in place. In the Layers panel, find the layer named Design Base Layer. Double-click its thumbnail to open the Smart Object in a new tab. Turn off the sample artwork and turn on the Guide Layer. Place your artwork within the Safe Print area guides. Make sure all lines and details are at least 15 pixels thick. When your base layer design is complete, turn off Guide and other unnecessary layer and save Smart Object. Then close this tab to return to the main template and turn on customizable parts. The print design and cut design of the base layer sections have been automatically populated. Now, there's one critical element you must include in your base layer design: a placement mark for the spinning axis. This tells our production team exactly where to attach the spinning axis. The placement mark must be displayed as a red circle on your design. Find the pivot positioning mark already included in the customizable parts group and reposition it to where you want the spinning axis to sit on your design. Your design must also include a hanging hole at the top. This is where the keyring will attach. Refer to the example hole already shown in the template as your size reference. When you're happy with both layers, it's time to export your final print file. First, turn off the guide group and any other reference or sample layers you don't want included in the final file. In the Layers panel, click the eye icon next to each of these layers to hide them. Double-check that only your design layers are visible before exporting. In Photopea, Go to File Export as PNG to export with a transparent background. In Photoshop, go to File Export, Quick Export as PNG, or go to File Save a Copy and choose PNG format. And that's it. Your print file for the custom shape.